Do you keep hearing about gems and how helpful they can be, but have no idea how to even start using them? Well, that's exactly what I'll show you now. What a gem is, where to find them, and how to use them. First of all, let's look at how using a gem can be helpful. If we open Gemini, you can use the app switcher for that. You'll see you need to enter a prompt to get Gemini to perform any actions. If you're new to AI chatbot prompting, you may not realize all of the details you need to include in your prompt to get the complete results you're looking for. See all the attempts to refine this image? This is one of the ways that gems come in handy. If you use a gem, the full prompt has already been tested to give you complete results on the first try. No trial and error, no refining your prompt, just fill in the blanks in the gem and it's off and running. You don't have to be an AI prompt engineer, and you don't have to invest much time getting the results you're looking for. I mean, look at this prompt. This one happens to be for checking to make sure the privacy policy for an online resource is appropriate for students. Would you want to enter all these details in every time you want to check a privacy policy? Gems are also helpful if you ask Gemini to create several variations of the same thing, such as quizzes, infographics, or lesson plans, as well as if you create similar things a lot over the course of the school year. No need to keep entering similar prompts over and over again. Just use a gem each time. As you just saw, in Gemini, you'll find your gems in the left menu. You may need to open the left menu if it has been collapsed. Click on the Gem section to open the Gem Manager. You'll see that Gemini has a collection of gems you may find useful. But wait, there's more. There's an even larger gem repository. The place to find the largest collection of vetted gems that are safe to use is at edugems.ai. This site is curated and maintained by Eric Kurtz of Control-Alt-Achieve. When you first open the site, you'll see an explanation of what gems are. These gems have already been tested, so you know they will work. Scrolling down the page will allow you to view all the gems that are available. They are grouped by category, starting with the newest gems that have been added to the site. You could also search for gems in the left column by topic. Clicking on any gem will tell you more about what it does, as well as who created it. You'll also see the link to use the gem and a link to make a copy for yourself, so you can find it in Gemini in the future. One word of caution. At ASA, our students do not have access to Gemini, so any gems designed for students to use will not work for them. You, as a teacher, will be able to use any of these gems. Let's use this simple gem to show you how easy it is to use. I'll click the Coloring PageMaker gem link to get started. When it opens, I'll click the Use the Gem link to use it. You'll notice it has opened my Gemini. To start the gem, just type any word into the prompt, like hi or hello. Read the instructions and provide the information the prompt is asking for. To add a new line within the prompt, press Shift-Enter. Then click the arrow on the right side of the prompt field. It'll take a minute or two to create the color page. It won't happen as quickly as you see here. I sped up the video for demonstration purposes. When Gemini is finished creating, the result will appear at the bottom. You can then tweak the results with another prompt, and then click the arrow again. Feel free to do this as many times as you need to until you get the results you were looking for. As you can see, it took a couple of adjustments to get the image as accurate as I wanted it to be. When you're satisfied with the result, you can copy the image or download it. Each gem will need different information depending upon its purpose, but the steps you follow will generally be the same. Open the gem, read the instructions, enter the information the gem needs in the prompt, and let it go. When you get the result, you may need to make adjustments, and in a few minutes, you'll have something you can use. There you go. You've learned where to find lots of gems and how to use them. This little 5-minute time investment can save you hours of work over time. So find a gem that is useful to you and give it a try. You'll be getting twice as much accomplished in no time.